Hello everyone, this is Ayush and today I'll be showing you how to create Power Pages websites. So let's get started. To create a website, we can start from blank or we can use a template. We have bunch of templates provided by Power Pages by default. So here you can see we have few starter layouts that can be used to customize the portals as per our requirement, or we can use any other template. So we have here for scheduling and manage meetings, we have application submissions, application processing templates, and then we have registration templates, and we have few dynamic 365 templates as well. But for now, let's get started with blank. So let's come back to home, and as you can see, currently I don't have any sites in this environment, so I'm using a developer environment. And here you can see I have two developer environments and I'm using currently this one. So let's start by clicking start from blank. Now let's give our site a name. I'm going to demonstrate a expense tracker portal. So let's get started by giving it a name, expense tracker. Let's give it a proper web address. Expense, let's keep it small only. Tracker. And yes, it's not available, so let's change few things in the web address to make it available. Let's add demo here. Okay, perfect. This is available. Let's click on done. Our photo setup has been completed. Now it will open a design studio where we can customize our photo. So let's see it a bit. Perfect. So our design studio has been opened. We are not going to use Copilot, so let me just close it. So let's talk a bit about Design Studio. We get here our pages that we will have on our portal. Currently we have 3 pages by default. One is home page, other is access denied, and page not found. This is the preview of our page, and we can add many components on our page from here. So let's start by adding a text component. Now you can write here anything, so let's write here, this is our home page, and we can make it center align by going to alignment here and choosing center align. Perfect. Now let's change the company name here as well. To change company name, just come here and click on edit site header and change the company name here. Let's write expense tracker and demo. Let's that's it. We can just close it, and here you can see it's changed, expense tracker demo. Now let's preview our site. To preview our site, just go to preview here and click on desktop. Since we are opening our portal for the first time, it may take some time as well. One more thing, if I come back to Design Studio, you can see here we have our site is in private mode. So here you can see expense tracker private. Now to make it public, we can just click here, go to manage site visibility and make it to public. But for now, let's keep it private. A private site needs a login from a Microsoft account, and that's why it is asking here permission. And to log in with our current account, which is my admin account here, admin@dynamics crm54504.onmicrosoft.com. So let's give it permission. Let's click on consent on behalf of our organization and click on accept. Okay. So looks like there is some issue, but no worries. Let's wait for some time. Let me just refresh it and continue. In the meantime, let's get back to the studio and see other pages. So we have here access denied page, which comes by default, and it will just have a very simple message, which is you don't have access to this site. This page is shown when there is a permission restriction on a page and someone tries to access it. Similarly, we have a page not found. Page not found, yes. So it is also a very simple page, consists of a image component and two text components here. Whenever someone tries to access a page which is not available in our portal, or the portal URL is wrong, then it will redirect to this page not found. For access denied page to show up, we will have to set up few permissions for the pages, and we can set up permissions by going to a page. Suppose this is our home page, and by clicking on the ellipsis icon here, when we click on this, we have a page setting here. Let's click on that, and then we have a permissions, and we can decide here who can see our pages. Currently the home page is set to be seen by anyone, but you can also check I want to choose who can see this page, and here we can assign roles, and yeah, for either administrator or authenticated users or anyone who can see the page. You can also define more the roles here, but that's a later part. So let's see if our portal opened or not. Yeah, so our portal has opened, and you can see this is it is mentioning this site is private. Private basically means, and also it is open because I am signed in as with my account. And if anyone trying to open it publicly, suppose if I copy this and open it in private tab, so it will ask for login. So not anyone with a Microsoft account can log into this. The person must be in our organization tenant, then only he'll be able to log in and access to the portal. So let's close this, and this is our home page, and here the component that we had added showing up here. You can see we have a few things provided by default in the portal, such that like search icon here. There is some issue with this CSS property. We get this issue because we have started from blank, but no worries, we can fix this later. And then we have sign in button here. You can click on sign in button and it will open a sign in page which is provided out of the box. You can see here we have multiple ways to sign in, which is one is using username and password, and then we have Microsoft Entra ID, and also we can enable other sign-in options as well. Currently it's turned off, like third-party sign-ins. We'll show in the later videos. Apart from sign-in, we have register here as well. If our portal is public, then anyone can register using their email, username, and a password. And apart from that, we have redeem invitation as well. Suppose if there is a contact in our Dataverse and we want to send them invitation to our portal, we can do that as well, and they can use that invitation code to register on our portal. So let's get back to home page for now, or let's try to register maybe, or probably I already have it. Let's try first. Okay, I don't see any threads here, so let's try to register. So let me just give a random email for now. Let's say test@example, or maybe expensetracker@.com. Let's give it some username, maybe expense tracker demo, and a password. The sign in and security all handled by Microsoft, so we don't have to worry about the securities. So let's click on register. Perfect. We are redirected to profile page. So earlier when we were not logged in, here it used to say sign in, and now we are logged in, so it is saying profile name here, and we have profile page and we have sign out button here as well. So it's in profile name because we haven't set our name into the profile. So let's do that quickly. See if you can see here in your information section, we have first name and last name blank. So let me just quickly add my first name and last name. And we have organization name, title, nickname, website, a public profile copy, preferred language, and how do we want to be contacted by the portal administrator or someone for any purpose. Let's say advertisement or promoting their products maybe. And now let's click on update. Now it's redirected to home page, and you can see now it's saying Ayush Misra here. And if you want to go back to profile page, we can just click on this and go back to profile page. That's it in this video. We'll see you guys in next video. Thanks.